So this is the 2015 Mitsubishi Outlander. VRX is the top spec model. It's New Zealand new, 4-wheel drive, 7-seater with 18-inch machine finished alloy wheels. This model has the auto rain sensing wipers and also auto dusk sensing headlights, as well as roof rails and weather shields to keep the rain out. This vehicle has keyless entry, so you can leave the key in your pocket or purse and just press the button on the handle to unlock the vehicle. To power this 4-wheel drive SUV is a 2.4 litre petrol engine. It's the largest in the range for the Outlander. It's 126 kilowatts and it uses only 7.2 litres over 100 kilometres, which is a 4.5 star rating. Let's jump in. Okay, nice leather seats. The driver's seat is electric adjustable, the rest are manually adjustable. Both the front seats have heating, individual buttons for seat heating. The electric windows, obviously, electric mirrors, and the button for the power fold, so you can fold the mirrors in if you need to get through a tight space. So steering wheel controls, we've got the adaptive cruise control on this side, we've got the stereo and phone controls on this side, including the button that activates the voice control for making hands-free phone calls. We've got the 7-inch touchscreen unit, AM/FM radio, plays through 6 speakers including 2 tweeters, also has a USB interface inside there. This is also the unit that allows you to access the GPS system, maps, and it also is the reversing camera, giving you a nice big clear reverse camera. There's a dual air conditioning system, so either side of the vehicle can have the temperature at whichever they find most comfortable. Right, plenty of room in the second row of seats. We've got Isofix points for the kids' car seats to keep them safe. We've got a armrest, a couple of cup holders in here, so that's all good. Adjustable headrests. Right, let's get in the back. To access the third row of seats, seats 6 and 7, we just bring that forward and climb it. So leaving room for the second row of seats to actually have some leg room. There's still enough room in here for an adult to sit reasonably comfortably. The headrests adjust up, so that's nice. Okay, this is the boot with the rear seat, third row of seats up. They fold down easy enough. There's the tray cover back. Like that. Pulls out. Keeps your load secure. And the rest of the seats fold down, giving you a nice flat rear surface. This model has the powered tailgate. You just press this button up here. Let's go for a drive. So this vehicle's got 5-star safety rating, that's 5 out of 5. Has 7 airbags, it's got active traction control, which helps you get out of trouble if you find the car's getting into a bit of a skid. And it's got forward collision mitigation, which brakes for you if there's a car in front of you braking heavily and it feels like you're about to have a crash. it's got a CVT transmission, continuous variable transmission, so that eliminates the usual automatic gear changing that can be quite rough sometimes. Also has the paddle shifts that you can choose to engage whenever you feel like it, if you want to cut down a few gears. The adaptive cruise control that sets your speed according to the car in front and will actually change your speed as the car in front accelerates and slows down. This is a Diamond certified used vehicle, which is exclusive to Bay City Mitsubishi. We basically give you a free 2-year unlimited kilometre warranty on vehicles that have passed, I think it's a 140 point check. Alright, we're back at Bay City Mitsubishi. Happy driving!